Hello everyone, hope you stay well. João Dias, Real Estate Consulting Center of Portugal. Castelo Branco area, normally it's my properties. And today I'm off distance with the Castelo Branco to Sarzedas. Have a property more, around 3 hectares and a half, total off grid, okay? And I want to present you. Hope you like it and if you learn all the description and see all the video, normally I try to put all the information, but if it don't happen, please contact me, okay, with the email or WhatsApp or what you want. Enjoy the video and stay safe. Okay, that is the access. You travel a little with me by car. The access, it's not bad. Okay, it's possible. You have different access. I think in the total you have 3 different access, more near or better access. You decide. Okay. All around you have trucks with company woods using that roads. Of course, you stay in the winter. If you see here, it's possible need a little works for maintenance the conditions, but that's it. That's the nature and the off-road property. Okay, let's see the property. Okay, now I'm in the property. Okay, you have a public road here. You have guys work there, clean the land. That triangle, if you see, for that part of the left side, stay inside the property. Okay, it's a little part going there, little part going there. It's a triangle that pines and coming here, that sticks. After that, cross public road, and all that part it's private. Okay, only have that corner, that big pine stay outside. It's another property. You have I think it's possible. See here, let me see where is the rocks. Here, okay, here. Good. That they're going to the direction to my car, more or less. You have the sticks in cement, okay, coming here and here, turn. In my case, turn left, going to the water line. Okay, that big pines don't stay, and that clean part, it's the neighbor again. The property finished down. You have a little water line when rain, not a river. Okay, it's a water line. It's season, dry in summer. You need to rain for have water. It's more for help the water right to the land, and it's maintain the condition for walk. Here, if you see, you do a little veil at down the water line. Okay, and the property going down. That pines is the border again. Only that clean part, another mountain. Okay, don't stay. Property finished here for my way. Going down. Okay. I turn back again for the road inside the property. That road it's private, okay? It's only for using the owners. That property for clean and I mean with your tractor and that. That way the border is that pines. When you start the pines, finish the property. Okay, you have that line going down. I try to present all again. The boundary is there. That property it's possible put mobile structure. Okay, vans, teepees, wood house. If you don't not fix mobile, okay. And the electricity don't stay near. My opinion, the suggestion is panel solars, and for the water, a borehole. Okay, I think it's a borehole is the best solution. Okay, it's more or less flat, not 100, sure. Okay, yeah. Now I'm in the part of the property more up. Okay, if you see there, you have trucks. Not sure if it's possible we cross there again. You have trucks here, and the trucks need good access for working. And if you using that, it's approved. It's a nice access. Of course, it's off-road access. My car stay there. Okay, that pines don't stay inside. The property do that. The triangle and coming down. In the views drones, I have the boundaries more or less, a yellow line for try to help you better. But now I'm in the middle of the property, okay, and it's important because now that part, because the road continuing for the neighbor's land. Okay, but the property it's here for the right side. Okay, going down. Okay, and going up there. Okay, do that here and going down there. Have big trees there. There, that trees. It's the corner after going that way. Okay. Okay, now I'm in the neighbor property. Remember, the rocks stay there. The boundaries going there and to that pines there. Turn right and coming up to that pines. All the area you see clean. Okay, there. It's it's inside the property. Now I'm going down here. Remember, I'm using a little the neighbor's property, and for try to present all. Okay, that part stay more up. That is where stay the rocks, and do that now for that pines. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to present you there. Okay, that is the part of top where I stay and have the rocks to the boundaries. The property coming here, and here you have another public road. Okay, the property continuing for the right side, but it's a public road. In that part after the public road, that in that case now left part, all that clean area, okay, you have more or less half an hectare. Okay, half an hectare cross to the road, 2 hectares, 0.8, 0.9, and after you have a little more. That remember the triangle with a small part of land. Okay, here continuing the same characteristics. It's more vale here. You have more humidity. The land change. It's nice because different condition of land for different agricultures. If you want do that here. It's if you see same time the pigs broke it all there. If you have humidity and you have food, sure, that work. And that's it. Going there, turn left, coming upstairs, the clean area. Okay, I think it's possible. Understand more or less. I think you like it and help you. That's my intention all the time, okay? And that's it. Now I turn back again for near that pines. I stop at my car there and then cross all the property. Represent you. Okay, hope you like it. Remember, I try to put all the information in the video and the description, but any questions, send a comment, or using my contacts stay in the description down, okay? Emails, WhatsApp, phones, the contacts you prefer using. Enjoy and see you in the next video.